Hey guys, tomorrow is actually the 1st of December and I feel that winter is coming. It's getting colder and while I'm recording this video, it's snowing outside. I know that for many of you, winter is associated with darkness, with cold, with a lot of clothes that we must wear in order to feel warm. But I still believe that we are able to make this season magical, wonderful and cozy. That's why in this video I'm going to present you 15 wonderful ideas of things that you can do this winter. And my name is Nika, I studied abroad, lived in different countries, and now I'm going to help you learn English. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So idea number 1 is bake winter cookies, festive cakes, or make a gingerbread house. To tell the truth, I'm not a really big fan of cooking, but at the same time, when it's cold outside, when you want to stay in-house, it's nice to eat something delicious. But anyway, I love the atmosphere of coziness when you start baking some cakes or cookies with ginger, cinnamon, or let's say brown sugar. The last time I baked American cinnamon rolls, I invited some friends over, we were drinking tea, laughing a lot, and of course it was like very pleasant evening. Point number 2, read a new book next to a fireplace or with a cup of warm tea under the blanket. I personally enjoy reading self-development and various business and management books, but at the same time, in winter season, it's wonderful to read something about magic and maybe some fairy tales to feel as a child again. So here I've added a list of my favorite books that I highly recommend you to read in winter, but of course in English. I personally don't have an access to a real fireplace, but at the same time, as you see, I've bought some fake one and it still brings the atmosphere of coziness. Point number 3, play board games with family members and friends at home. I used to think that board games are just for kids and teenagers and that for adults, mature people, they are boring. But not at all. I've recently bought a couple of board games and we enjoy playing them with my friends. Point number 4, watch holiday movies. While watching Christmas movies, we are of course drinking mulled wine or hot chocolate and grabbing some popcorn. Here I shared the list of my favorite Christmas movies and I would like you to write your favorite ones in comments down below. Point number 5 is do a random act of kindness or make a donation. Believe me or not, but when we do something kind and pleasant for other people, we definitely start feeling better no matter what is going on in our lives. So here I've added a list of kind actions that you may do. For example, send flowers or books to a friend for no reason, or give a stranger a compliment, or bring some toys to a homeless shelter, or maybe bake some cookies for your colleagues in the office. Point number 6, buy gifts and send holiday cards. To tell the truth, for me it's very difficult to select a proper present even to a well-known person, but I still love imagining how wonderful and magnificent this person is going to feel when he's going to receive this gift. Regarding holiday cards, you know, we are used to sending emails, text messages, or just having phone calls, but it's so pleasant to receive something handwritten. So I would really recommend you to buy some nice and good looking postcard and send it to your beloved ones. Point number 7, listen to Christmas music and put up holiday decorations. As you've probably noticed, I've recently started decorating my house with some cozy decorations. So I've got some lights, as I said, some fireplace and candles, but at the same time I'm still missing the Christmas tree. When you are going to decorate your Christmas tree, don't forget to listen to Christmas music or to turn on some Christmas movie. I have never tried to cut out paper snowflakes, but this year I will definitely do it after watching some videos on YouTube. Point number 8, buy cute pajamas and funky socks. You know, we spend a lot of money on buying some clothes that we wear outside, but not many of us literally pay attention to what we are wearing at home. But this is extremely important because it helps you to set up the mood for the day. Buy a couple of cozy pajamas and funky socks and fluffy sweaters and wear them at home, and this will help you to improve your mood. Point number 8, recycle clothes in H&M. While staying at home during cold winter days, try to check your wardrobe and maybe you will find some items that you haven't been wearing for a long period of time. So in order not to lose these items and not to waste them, you just may collect them in a shopping bag and then bring them to H&M in order to recycle and get some discount for further purchases. Point number 10, print photos and make a photo album. I know that many of us keep photos online, but at the same time, it's so pleasant to look through those photos and to see how many wonderful moments we had during the past year. So I propose you to print these photos and create your own album. So for example, you may buy some colorful pens online or any additional stickers you may order on AliExpress, for example, and create your personalized photo album. Point 11. Soak in natural hot springs or relax at a spa. I know that many of you love creating gifts for your beloved ones, but at the same time we forget about ourselves. And I propose you to call your friends, gather a lot of them together and go to spa and spend a wonderful day there. Point number 12, enjoy winter fun. Here is the list of activities you may enjoy in the winter. So you may go ice skating or snowboarding or skiing. At the same time, you can make a snowman if you have got some snow in your city, or make a snow angel, have a snowball fight or drive a snowmobile, watch the snow fall and catch snowflakes with your tongue. Point 13. Make your New Year bucket list or create a dream board or set up goals for the new year. Before the new year, I love analyzing what I have achieved, what I have done or haven't done during the past year. And of course, it's good to think about the following year, what you may do better, what qualities, for example, you would like to acquire. And keep in mind one important rule. If you would like your dreams to come true, you should write them down in a good looking notebook, let's say, or print some pictures that visualize your dreams. Point 14, visit Christmas markets. There are so many different Christmas markets in Europe, and I would love to travel around many of them and drink mulled wine and enjoy watching the Christmas tree, sing some Christmas songs and buy some unnecessary stuff. And the last but the most wonderful point is, of course, traveling. If you have a desire and opportunity, it would be so cool to travel in winter to some warm country, or maybe on the contrary to a cold country where you enjoy doing some winter sports. Just keep in mind that traveling is always a good idea, even if you go to another city just for one day. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share in comments down below what are your plans for this winter. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Keep in touch. Bye bye.